Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to appear offline on Facebook using a PC or Mac. Step 1. Navigate to facebook.com and select the messenger icon. Step 2. Select options. Step 3. Select turn off active status. Step 4. Choose turn off active status for all contacts if you don't want to be disturbed by anyone. Step 5. Select turn off active status for all contacts except if you don't want to be disturbed by most people but want to be available to a select few. You can designate designated friend who can see you online status. Step 6. Choose turn off active status for only some contacts. There are only a few people to whom you prefer to remain incognito. Step 7. Select OK when you have made your selection. Your active status remain off until you turn it back on. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.